Respected friends, students, my dear senior citizens, and all gathering peoples, those who are listening my quiz classes here in front of you. First of all, I am very much uh, create a sense of good thinkingness in front of you how to develop your general knowledge in this sphere. First of all, I have put forward a important questions in front of you. Which city of India is called as the dream city of India? It's a very interesting question in front of you. Please tell me if anyone have known, tell me this question's answer. The real answer of that question is Mumbai city, as you called Bombay in past. The second questions go to you. After dog, which animal or insect is trained for bomb searching in India and other foreign countries? The real answer of that question's answer is honeybee. Honeybee is an insect that was trained by different scientists for searching the bomb. The next questions, that is third questions. If a person have cut the vegetables and washed in water for cooking purpose, then what type of vitamin is totally rooted out from the vegetable fruits? The real answer of that question is vitamin C will out after washing of cut vegetables. The next question goes to you. Where you can find out more viruses are living in any part of the human body? The real answer of that question is more viruses are living in the nail roots of every human being. It is a very important question for your general knowledge and hygienic purpose. Students should remember these points so far as their intelligence ability is concerned. Next question goes to you. By eating what type of foods or as you called insect, that blood of a human being is contaminated day by day? It is very important questions for all students have known this real things of the knowledge. The right answer of that question is dry fish. If a human being eat more dry fishes, that will create a bad blood circulation in the body of all human being and to himself also. Which disease was more cured by eating more pomegranate fruit? It will create a sense of interesting blood circulation purpose for every human beings. All should have known this fact. It is an interesting one. The real answer of that question is pomegranate fruits. If anyone have eat more pomegranate, as you called dalim in Oriya, it has created a purification of blood and get more blood in his body. Where you can find out two suns in this world. In which country you can find out the two suns, specially. The real answer of that question is it is a country like China who has made two suns. In that country, the scientist had made another artificial sun for his country. So, if anyone can have visited that place, he may find out two suns in China. If a person have eat more banana leaves, what type of disease was cured by eating more leaves of the more banana fruit leaves, or the chali as you called? The real answer of that question is if a person has eaten the thicks of banana and leaves, his stomach gas was cured from his body. It's a very interesting one, a very easier way for curing his stomach gas and stomach pains, etc. The next question goes to you. In this world, all human beings can find out a black tomato. In which country he may find out such type of black tomato? The black tomato was at first, it is the real answer of that question is the black tomato was at first found out at England. And now our government of India had emphasized to all the farmers of Chhattisgarh produce such type of black tomato in India. Then next goes to you. What type of disease and vitamins are more available by eating tomato? The real answer of that question is by eating black tomato, a human being can get more vitamin C, magnesium, and antioxidant. The next question goes to you. Who was the present? Who was the present, as you called, Attorney General in India? The real answer of that question is Mr. K.K. Venugopal. Mr. K.K. Venugopal is the present, not was past, it is present as the Attorney General of India. The next question goes to you. What is the real attitude and behavior of all tribal peoples in this world, as well the common nature of the tribes in this world? The real common nature of all tribal peoples in this world are they are well acquainted with the nature's beauty, nature's barrier, and they never afraid to dense forest and wild animals. But in second sense, they are more afraid to the newcomers, those who are coming to their home or nearby their living place. The next question goes to you. At present stage, as you called at the age of present day was called as anthropocene, anthropocene age, the present age, because it is more related with the modernized view as well as related to different you called different graha differently. The scientists have discovered these things in the year of 2002 that age is called as anthropocene age at present stage. The next question goes to you. As it called, the persons, many more persons have eaten different fruits, no doubt. But if a person have eaten more amla fruit, what type of a disease was cured from his body? The real answer of that question is when a person suffers the hair falls from his head, he should and must eat the amla fruits. It will create a sense of miracle curable of hair fall disease. It is very important for a human being to have known these things for their future development and information process for which act and information view all should have well check up by way of listening this quiz class. Thanks to all of you, my dear friends. I have given more thankful in today's way, and all are present by this way. I am very much glad in this sphere. So have given much more thanks to all of them, those who are present in front of mine, and it is a day of real red letter day on the part of ourselves to have well versed, well acquainted, and more gaining knowledge in this sphere by watching my quiz classes. Thanks to all of you, dear and friends, and the last thanks to all of you. Namaste. Thanks to all. Goodbye.